Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. Today we are going to be, I'll be teaching you how to make a YouTube banner. So you first open up Spark Adobe because it's a really good one software. So I have that open up now. And guys, also please check out my other videos. And guys, my goal is for my YouTube channel to get 1K subscribers, because that will help me a lot. Because I've been spending many hours editing and stuff. So wait for this to load up. So let me search up YouTube banner, and it should pop up. These are pretty good ones. I like them. I like this thumbnail. It looks pretty cool. So now I look here. Just search YouTube. Should pop up. Here it is. So first you click edit this template. I made some for ours. So guys, in the comment section below, comment if you want me to make you a YouTube banner. If you do, I'll make one and I'll try to do a live stream, maybe like on a second YouTube channel or something. I still don't know yet of making people banners. So while it loads up, okay, nice. So I'm making one for my brother. So his name's Amir. And then we do this. Amir. And his channel is Amir Joel Gamer. Joel Pro Gamer. Nice. New video was usually he makes one twice a week, but he took a break. And I want to change the background to maybe like a lightish blue. If I do red, this still looks, no, not yellow, white. I want to do like a special kind of, yeah, this blue. And then I want to change the color to, what should the color be? Yeah, pretty good. And my brother does not have Facebook. Has Instagram, so let me make one. Angles _ by _ and now it says Instagram. And then I might make one for his like Epic. Not size, it's too small. Pretty good. Now let me make one for his Epic, because if you want to friend him. So his Epic name depends. I'll do that later, but maybe I should do his, yeah. So have that so far. And he likes dot. Let me search up cars because he likes his Mercedes-Benz. It's not really good looking. That one looks like a DeLorean. Wait, I thought that was it. I'm gonna add this, and it should load, and it loads up. It's literally. Try to do it to like a different color. I'll make it like a gray so then it won't blend in, so it'll look better. Why was this a pink? I think because it automatically tried to make it match. I may just remove this one because so it can fit the car. If you got you, so guys, if you contact me like a Skype or something, I don't know if you want to for me to make you a banner. So we have that part done, and I want to add like a controller or a Fortnite character because me and him love that game. Let's add a llama. So first we get that, change the color to, because you know llamas in Fortnite are, I wish you can customize the colors, but I'm gonna contact them. So this is a pretty good. I'll save this because when my brother gets his PC soon, I'll also let him live stream. And this looks really good so far, but but if this new YouTube channel name was shorter, I couldn't put 2 llamas. And let me add like, what is those things called? Let me add a controller. Let me add a PS4 because he likes gaming. I'll blend in. Okay, I'll use this. You make it smaller. And we should be done. So first, click download, start download, solid color, and I want to save this first. And then you click save, and it should be done. Saving. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.